In today's video, I'm going to teach you Producer.ai Walkthrough 2026, how to use Producer.ai for beginners. To get started, open Producer.ai in your browser, then create an account or sign in if you already have one. Producer.ai is an AI music creation platform that lets you generate songs from simple text prompts. So the whole experience is designed to feel creative and beginner-friendly right from the start. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. You'll typically see the chat interface, your music projects, a song library, community creations, and AI tools or settings. This quick overview helps you understand where everything lives before you begin. One of the main ideas behind Producer.ai is that you interact with it like a conversational music producer. So the chat area is especially important. When you're ready, click Create or New Song to start a fresh project. This opens a chat box where you can describe the kind of track you want to make. Be as clear as possible with your prompt. For example, you might ask for an upbeat pop song with catchy vocals and a summery feel. The more detail you include, the better your result is likely to be. Helpful details can include the genre, mood, instruments, tempo, vocal style, and even a theme or lyrics concept. After entering your prompt, press Generate and give the platform a moment to build your song. Producer.ai can create vocals, instrumentals, structure, and arrangement based on that text description. Once the track is ready, listen closely and evaluate the melody, lyrics, instrumentation, vocal quality, and overall mood. This is where you decide what's working and what needs improvement. A major feature of Producer AI is refining your song through chat. If something feels off, just describe the change you want. You can ask it to make the chorus louder, add guitar solos, switch the vocal style, increase the tempo, or make the track feel more emotional. Because the AI remembers the context of your project, revisions usually feel more focused and consistent. If your song needs words, you can also ask Producer AI to generate lyrics. For example, you can request lyrics about chasing dreams and never giving up, and the platform can integrate them into the track. From there, don't be afraid to experiment with different genres like pop, rock, EDM, hip-hop, country, lo-fi, or cinematic music. If advanced settings are available, use them to adjust things like dynamics, arrangement, instrument emphasis, structure, and audio characteristics for more control. If you like a song but want options, create variations or a remix to compare alternate versions. Producer.ai may also let you generate visuals such as music videos, visualizers, cover art, or promotional content. Be sure to save your project regularly, then download your song in the available format when you're happy with it. Finally, you can share your music in videos, podcasts, social media, personal projects, and other creative work. Just make sure to review the licensing terms included with your plan.